Hello, so today I am going to be doing another crystal mystery box. I really didn't plan on doing another crystal mystery box. It just kind of happened. As you guys have probably seen my previous video on the crystal beginner book, I had just, felt like I should maybe make sure I have the 10 crystals that were mentioned in the book as her primary workhorses. So I was looking for those crystals online, and one of the crystals that I really wanted, I had noticed that it would be a better deal if I did a mystery box that contained that item. So we are going to be doing this unboxing. Now this unboxing, for the mystery box, I did get it off of Etsy. However, I did not get it from the same seller as I did previously, just because I wanted to go with the same seller to get all of the crystals. So here we have the box. I'm not going to show the other side. And I'm really kind of surprised that everything was able to fit in this box. I was like, So we will see. So let me go ahead and get this opened real quick. And I do apologize if there's any background noise. I am doing this during the day. I do try to do most of my videos at night when everyone's sleeping, but that does become an issue for me because I'm getting a lack of sleep and no time to ever catch up on that sleep. So I'm going to try to do this. You may hear kids in the background or my husband hollering about the game he's playing. So it is what it is. Let me go ahead and get this box opened here. It's COVID time, so everyone's at home, unfortunately. Alright, so since I have not opened this box, I don't know if things are going to be separated or how it's all going to be in here. So I did get this from NewMoonBeginnings. I can kind of show you guys that there while trying to cover my address. It doesn't really work. I'll insert a picture. So this is from NewMoonBeginnings. And I know that I've gotten something from there. Want to say, might have been this pendulum. I know I got something from there. It's hard to say. Can't keep track of all of my orders. So inside we have 2 bundles. I'm assuming this one is the mystery, and this one is the 4 other crystals that I had purchased. So let's dig into it. I'm super excited. I love the mystery. Like, I know that I was looking for selenite for the mystery box, and the price of a piece of selenite when I was looking at it wasn't too far off from the price of getting a mystery box that had selenite in it. It was one of the things, and then the remainder was a mystery. So I was like, well, I'm going to go that route because I'm getting more bang for my buck. You know, I like to help out small businesses, but I also like to support my wallet. So, and all of it is just going to help my collection. Let's see if I can get this open here without cutting my finger off. That'd make for a great video. Cut my finger off. Okay. So, first thought, one of these that I see, I'm like, whoa, that is so small for the price. So, the first one we have here, and I do like that the seller does have little cards for each one of these. The first one that I wanted to get was turquoise. Now, this is such a small piece of turquoise, and honestly, I think I paid $9 for this small piece of turquoise. It's pretty though, but it's so small. But hey, it's turquoise. I'll be happy with it. Now the next one is ametrine, and it is a combination of citrine and amethyst. And I was really hoping that it would have more yellow in it, but I do see a little. You see a little bit maybe in the middle. I was hoping it would have more yellow in it. And I'll also take pictures of these crystals and try to pop them in too. The next one is fluorite, which I thought maybe I did rainbow fluorite, but I'll have to double check that. Okay, now this one is a nice size actually. Oh, and I like the color in it. Let's try looking at it from, sorry guys, you can kind of see it. I'm going to take a picture with flash, that way you can really see it. There are some variants in it, so I am pleased. That's a rough piece. I can feel the grit on my hand. Then smoky quartz was the next one that I wanted to get, because I do not have smoky quartz. And with smoky quartz, it can come in all types of variations. This one is very, 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 very light for smoky quartz. It's very light. I mean, we have a little bit of variation, but that is really light. Now, sometimes smoky quartz, you can get it extremely dark. If it's heat treated, you know, it can change the color of it. So those are the 4 that I had purchased. Next we're going to move on to the mystery. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. And with this one I just got the small mystery box. There was the mini, then the small, medium, and large. I just wanted to not get the smallest one, but get the next one up. That way I can see what it is. And once I buy from a seller several times, then, you know, I'll go up because I know what to expect. But with this seller, I think I bought 1 item from them previously, so I wasn't too sure. So, let's see here. Carnelian. Something smells real, it smells really good. Smell that. Ooh, this is really pretty. I like the variation in it. And the top is dark. That's so pretty. Then, sodalite. I don't think I have this one. I know I have carnelian. I don't think I have sodalite. So this one's a pretty one too. And I kind of, with the mystery boxes too, I kind of feel like whatever crystals are meant to come to me will with the mystery box, because I don't really have any control over it. So, oh, that is pretty. Alright, next one is fluorite. Oh, this one's way smaller than my other piece that I got. Which, this is a mystery box, so you can't really expect too much, you know, from it. But I like that this fluorite here, even though it's small, it's different than my fluorite that I have here. But look at the major difference. But, you know, it's a mystery box. I mean, you get what you pay for, you know what I mean? Okay. Pink tourmaline. I do not have this one. It's for love, spirituality, heart. I mean, a lot of my crystals that I do get, I like to get the ones that encourage spiritual communication, psychic ability. Those are all things that I'm interested in and that I'm open to. So I do get a lot of crystals for those reasons. Also for the healing, you know, abilities that they have. So this here is the pink tourmaline, and I do like, let me do like the variations. We got a little bit of pink in there. Let me flip it over to this side. Got a little pink, got a little gray, got some white. I love the variations there. Okay. This is the cellulite that I wanted. I'm glad that it didn't break. So pretty. This was what I was going after. And in the process, these other crystals were calling for me apparently. Okay, the next one is Seafoam Calcite. This is for cleansing, healing, calming. Oh, I could really use this one. Oh, that's really pretty. We got our variations here. I like on this side here. The sun is, it's got like a little band here. I like that. I gotta move my other crystals. I have my other crystals out, but I have them back further because I'm going to have to cleanse all of these. Oh, before I move on to the next thing, I did get this heart. Yeah, it's pink quartz. It's really pretty. I like the variations in it. I got this a few days ago. I just can't help myself. Green Aventurine. This is a bracelet. Healing, luck, and optimism. I could use that. Seems like ever since I've started on my crystal journey, and it could just be me, it seems that certain coincidences happen. Like, I'll end up getting a mystery box and the crystals within it are really what I'm looking for and what I'm searching for, although I didn't have any say in what I was going to get. I also got a fortune cookie when we went to the Chinese restaurant, and the fortune read, goodness, oh, I cannot think of what it read, but I'll insert a picture of it. It completely resonated with me 100%, and I was like, wow, everything's just pointing to this is the direction that I need to be in, this is where I need to go. So that's where we're at. So we have this beautiful green aventurine bracelet here. Let me go ahead and open it up here. That is pretty, very pretty. Once I cleanse it, I will wear it. I do like that a lot. Which I don't have a lot of crystal jewelry. You know, now I have that bracelet, and then I do have my lapis here, and I wear this all the time. And the last thing that we got is the Palo Santo wood. I'm saying that incorrectly. I do apologize. It's been a long day, let me tell you. I've been on mom duty 24/7, 7 days a week, and I am lacking sleep and running off coffee. So I'm trying to seek my positivity and trying to get to just feeling, for me, having some me time, which is well needed. Every mom, you know, any parent needs to take a break and do something for themselves and seek out whatever it is that they feel is going to help them and put them in a better headspace. So, I mean, overall, today we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plus the bracelet, and I want to say I spent under $40, which, you know, I didn't have to pay for shipping either. So I want to say I spent under $40. And so I'm quite pleased, and I do stand by, you know, if you're trying to start up your collection, you know, it's nice to do the mysteries because you don't know what you're going to get, and the only downfall is you have to hope that you don't end up getting anything you already do. Honestly, I haven't really had very many repeats, so I could not be happier. I mean, there are tons of crystals, so I'm very pleased with it. And honestly, these mystery, you can do the grab bags, you can do the mystery boxes. The one I did was the small one from, what was it, NewMoonBeginnings, and I do believe that one's only $18. So really, for everything that I got just in that portion, I think that's a really good price, and that's a good way to start off your collection. So I hope everyone has a blessed day, and I do thank you for watching this video. I will have more to come. See you next time. Hope you guys have a great day. Goodbye for now.